Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can download and install Cursor AI, and I will also show you how you can use this to create your project. So just search for Cursor AI on any platform, then just go to this link cursor.com, and here you will see this download option, and here you will also see the download option, download for Windows. So I am using Windows, so I'll just click here and it will start downloading. Here you can see, so it is around 100 MB, a little bit more than 100 MB. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see the download is done. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this exe file. Just double click here. After that, it will show you something like this. So here we need to accept the agreements, then click on next. Then you can choose where you want to install Cursor. So I'm going to keep it default, then click on next, then click on next, and I will just create a desktop icon as well, and I will also select those two options, then click on next, then click on install. So it will start installing and it will take a few seconds. Right now I will just fast forward the video again. There you can see installation is complete, and here you can see launch Cursor. So if you now click on finish, it will launch Cursor, and here you can see it also added the Cursor icon over here as well. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to sign up. So you can also skip it, but I will recommend you to sign up. So we are going to click on sign up, and it will take you to the browser. And here we are going to sign up using our Google account. And I'll choose my Google account, then click on continue and click here. I am fine with the Cursor setting running. Click on continue. Then you need to click here, yes, login. And here you can see all set. You are free to return to Cursor. So right now here you can see, you'll see two options. Here you can see import from VS Code or skip and continue. So you can also use Cursor extension in VS Code, but we're going to click here skip and continue. Then you can choose the theme over here. So I'll choose this theme, continue. Then click on continue, open from terminal. You can install it, but we are just going to click here continue, and it is done. So right now here on the right side, you will see this text box over here where you can write anything. So you can just close this or you can keep it. So you can press Control plus I, and it will bring this, and here you can write anything. So first of all, let's go and let's create a folder. So right now I'm going to click on file, then click on open folder, and let's say I'm going to create a folder over here. So click on folder, and let's say the folder name will be my first AI code. You can name it anything. Okay. Then just click on this, then select folder, and this folder will open over here. And on the right side, you will see this. So here, this folder is empty. So let's tell our AI to write some code for us. Let's say I want to design a registration page with HTML and CSS. Now press enter. So it will start generating our code. There you can see it is planning the next moves. And here you can see it is showing us 4 things that it will implement. And it is done. So right now we can check the code. Here you can see we have the index.html file, and we also have the style.css file. So let's go, and here you can see it added the index.html file and style.css file. We have both index.html file and style.css, so we need to save it. So just press Ctrl S, or you can just click over here as well. Keep those two files. Here you can see keep all changes. Just save those. So here you can see reveal in file explorer. Just click here, and here you can see index.html and style.css. It's inside the local disk C. So we're going to just double click here, and I will choose Google Chrome OS, and there you can see this is how our registration page look like. So if you want, you can change the design. So let me show you how you can do it. So let's say I want to change the design. So here we're going to say I want light color and also make it let's say AI made. Just say whatever you want to say, then click here and it will start modifying the code. And here you can see review changes, it means it is done. So here just click here, Ctrl Shift Y, it will keep the changes, or here you can see keep all changes. Just click here and it is done. So just save it. After that, we'll go to our browser, and if we now refresh, there you can see the design changed, and here you can see it added a little icon over here. So you can describe your design a little bit more to make it whatever you want. So this is how you can install and use Cursor AI. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.